How old are the lunar seas? When I closely examine the seas on the moon and compare them to the highlands, then it is crystal clear that the seas are easily more than 5 times younger than the highlands, and in some parts might be 100 times younger, or even more than that. Just look at how few impacts there are upon the seas compared to that upon the highlands. You need to look widely across the whole surface of the moon to see it. Now I realize there is no exact or specific way to calculate the proportion of craters on the seas compared to those on the lunar highlands. So the methodology I use is to estimate both extremes and then see if other data fits in between those two. And we also need to consider that it does appear as though some of the seas are younger than the others too. But the surface features are said to be 4.6 billion years old. So if that's true, then the seas must be between 10 million and 1,000 million years old. They cannot be older than 1 billion years because they're at least 5 times younger than the highlands at 4.6 billion years. But maybe the seas are as young as 50 million years because they could be 100 times younger than the highlands. However, all this is still premised on the assumption that most of the highlands are 4.6 billion years old. The highlands could be half of that, and then the seas must be proportionally also half of that. Now the famous Chicxulub crater is said to be 66 billion years old, and that cannot be even seen here on the surface of the Earth at all. And new evidence suggests that Chicxulub was one of many impacts across the globe. So I don't know if you can see the connection there, but I'm estimating that the lunar seas are between 50 and 300 million years old. They could be older than the impacts which killed the dinosaurs, but it could be the same phenomenon. It's in that time range. But to suggest that the seas are the same age as the highlands is so preposterous and so laughable. It's certainly just provocative trolling. And it's just a question being posed. Can you tell the difference between what is a logical answer and what is just repeated parrot fashion?